Hey, my people. Yes, welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Now, today I'll be showing you how to prepare your own coconut oil at home. Yes, my people. Yes, prepare your own coconut oil at home. Yes, quick and easy. Now, before we go any further, the top benefits of using coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is excellent for your skin. Yes, it improves skin health and it does improve your hair health. It boosts hair growth, yes. And for your teeth, it does help to maintain good teeth. And if it is that you have sensitive teeth, a good way how to deal with that is to make your own coconut oil. Use it to swish in your mouth every morning. Yes, and it will help with your sensitive teeth. You want to try that? Yes. If you are struggling with wrinkles, you want to get some coconut oil and massage it over your skin. It is excellent for that. If you are struggling with acne as well, a lot of bumps, you want to use coconut oil to help you with that. Coconut oil is also good for your brain. It does stimulate the brain. Yes, and it is good for those with Alzheimer's. Coconut oil also helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels as well. Now, if you are struggling with pancreatitis, it can help with that as well. It does boosts the body's immunity. Yes, it does boosts the body's immunity, and it is also excellent for your heart. It does promote heart health. All right, so you want to include coconut oil in your diet. And if it is that you have cold or flu symptoms, 2 spoons of coconut oil can also help with that. Yes, and it is also excellent for children who are struggling with cold, flu symptoms. Yes, you don't want just to make your own coconut oil. Yes, and have them. Drink a tablespoon each day. Yeah, so you want to get with your coconut oil. Yes, my people. So now let me show you how to make it at home. Here we have our coconut. Now you will crack it and pour the water out, and you can enjoy the coconut water with a little lime in it. Yes, that's very excellent for high blood pressure. Yes, now you have your coconut and you will crack it, yes, and then you will remove it from the shell, right? And you'll take your time to remove it from the shell. Yes, and you place it in a bowl. Yes, and as you can see, I'm removing it timely right here. Yes. And you will also put down your coconut shell, all right? So I will soon show you how to use your coconut shell. Yes, so you want to stay tuned, stay connected. All right, remember to like, subscribe, share, let your friends know. So after you're finished removing the coconut from the shell, then you would want to make sure that it is clean. All right, so I'll wash it with a little water here. All right, and then after that, you will move on to grating the coconut. Yeah, so after you finish grating, you will use a little water and get the coconut from the grate. All right. Yes. And I had done some already for you, as you can see. Yes, I went ahead and prep a little bit for you. Yes, so you want to make sure that you mix it. Yes. Yes, so then after mixing, yes, you will move on to straining the coconut milk. All right. So here we have our coconut milk. Yes, and as you can see, really rich. Then we will allow it to now sit and settle. So here we have our fresh milk, yes, strained, right? And you would want to leave it for overnight, right? Or a day. Now, when you allow it to sit, now this is what it will look like. So here we have some right here that I've done already for you to see. Yes, so this is a clear container and you will see it separating itself. You see the water at the bottom and the cream at the top. Yes, so this is what it will be looking like when it is settled, right? So here we have the water at the bottom clearly for you to see and the cream on the top. All right. So we will skim what is on top and put it in the pot to boil. Yeah, so this is what it looks like after you finish skimming off what is on top. Yes, and you will just allow it to boil. Yes, so here we have it here boiling now. This is what it will be looking like. So the milk is boiling nicely, as you can see, yes, and we will wait until it separates. So you will allow it to boil until you see the separation starts to happen, right? As you see, the oil is starting to separate from the custard. All right, so we will wait for it to boil a little more and then we will skim the oil. 100% coconut oil. Yeah, so here we have the coconut oil and we are going to skim it from the pot. Yes, as you can see it. Nice. And as you can see, the custard, attach itself onto the side of the pot. Yeah? And then you will take your time and skim the oil. Yes, and you could also take the pot and allow it to drain. Yes, and you will also see the oil as well. So there you have it, 100% coconut oil. All right? Yes. So there you have it. So stay tuned, stay connected for another awesome country life video.